morning children. Today we are going to continue your lesson, The Tiny Teacher. Okay, we have completed the first part. Now we will do the second part of it. Before going to the second part, let me ask you, who is the wisest and the tiniest teacher? Ant. Okay, now we will do the second part of the story. Okay. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. Yes, the queen ant is there, no? That is the mother of the entire population of the colony. Means in the colony, many ants will be there, isn't it? So, most of its mother is this queen in the colony. So, it lives for about 15 years. Its lifespan is 15 years. Okay. What is our lifespan? Around 60 to 65, we will die. Right, and this ant's lifespan is 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its bedding fight. It is having a pair of wings but it's cut out. Okay, it bites its after its bedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer. This flight takes place in a hot summer and the queen leaves the nest. Yes. When it is attained its age of giving birth, what does it do? It leave the nest. That is, it leaves its house. What is its house called? Antils. Okay. It leaves its house and go and search for a male ant. Okay. Queen is the female. It will find out a king. Okay. Then, when it is done and high up in the air, on its return to earth, when it come back, it gets rid of its wing. It will leave its wings and then does nothing but lay egg. When it come back after meeting the male ant, when it come back, it lays egg. Okay. Eggs hatch and crumbs come out. When egg break, this crumbs comes out. That is small crumbs. The small ant. Okay. And soldiers guide them. Now it's the duty of, so what is the duty of soldiers? The workers' duty was to find food, isn't it? And soldiers' duty is to guide all these crumbs. Workers feed and clean them. These workers feed and clean them also. Not only to search for food, also clean and feeding to them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. This worker ant shows the air, sunshine and to make do exercise etc. 2 or 3 weeks. Within 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then when that grubs change to cocoons, that is little bit big, then the cocoon breaks. Then the cocoons break. Again that breaks and perfect ants appear. Yes, then now that cocoons will move away and the ant will come out from that, the perfect ant. Now it is time for teaching and training. Once it is born, it is now time to teaching and training. What are the things that they have to teach? What are the things that they have to teach? We will see. Okay, that is the duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. All these works, what these peoples are doing, they have to teach them also like that, the new ants. Okay. Then and ready to go out into the big world of work. They will train the other workers and soldiers, train these newborn ants to live in this world. Okay. And Antils is a home not only for ant but also for some other creatures. In this Antils, no, it's a home for insects, not only for ant but also beetles, lesser breeds of ants and green fly. All these are living in that Antils or nest of this ant. Then why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? Why the ant want all these insects to live in his house, you know? Because for several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to the ants. Some insects gives a pleasant, a happy smell to ants' sense. Other gives sweet juice. Others give sweet juice to ant. And some are just pets or play things like cats and dogs to human. And some animals or some insects which is living in this nest of this ant, no, they consider them as pet. Like how we are keeping our pet, we are having cat, dog, parrot, all these animals are there for us pet. For them, all the other insects are pets who are playful things in their nest. Okay. Then the ant train. The green fly is the ant's cow. Yes, our pet is cow, no? Here the green fly, the green color fly is the cow for them. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk. Yes, our cow is giving us milk, whereas this green fly, no, is giving honeydew. With a touch of their antennae, they milk it just as we milk the cow. They can milk from their feeler. Okay, they can get milk from that, like how we get milk from cow. Okay, have humans learned as much as an ant have? Do the human learn, or do you think the human know as much as the ants know? Perhaps they have. Perhaps sometimes some people, they might have learned all this, but they haven't put their learning to a good use. They have learned what is good, what is bad, what is do's and don'ts and all, but they never put those learning to good use. They misuse it, isn't it? And they may still learn a few things from this tiny teachers. They still have something to learn from this tiny insect ant. And we say it's a tiny teacher for all of us. We have to observe ant and we want to know. Did you ever see an ant going in a line without breaking its line? It will move the same way, isn't it? As a student, when we are in a line, we used to overcome others, right? We used to go first, leaving the others there, right? We never wait for the front person to move in front. We will never stay properly in a queue, right? But this ant always waits and supports its other members. Okay. Now here, hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. They respect their place where they are living. Are we respecting our place where we are living? We are throwing waste here and there, and we consider our land is ours, right? Yes, we will make others' land dirty, isn't it? And here the ant respect their place where they are living. They clean. Whoever make it dirty, they clean. They never harm anybody. They never hurt anybody. And there the discipline, cleanliness, care, hardworking tiny teacher, our ant. Okay, this is all about the lesson. So dear children, do something different. There is nothing that we cannot do. Only thing is that we should have a will to do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so nothing matter what is your size or age. You is the matter. You decide what you have to do and to make a change in the world. Okay, you are born to this world the way you are for a reason. So try to find out why you are born to this world and do it and make the change. Okay, you can do it. Thank you. Bye.